Gaza First French Fries Factory creates jobs, helps farmers. French fry factory offers rare jobs for Gaza women. The Agricultural Association of Beit Hanoun came up with the idea of establishing a fried potato factory, offering the extra advantage of providing stable employment for women in Gaza. Palestinian women pack French fries at Rosetta factory in the northern Gaza Strip town of Beit Hanoun on January 30, 2019. The first French fries plant in the Gaza Strip, established under the initiative of the Agricultural Cooperative Society, ACS, provided rare employment opportunities for women, especially young graduates, and helped the farmers with the surplus of potato harvest. The first French fries plant in the Gaza Strip provided rare employment opportunities for women, especially young graduates, and helped the farmers with the surplus of potato harvest. Rosetta factory was established under the initiative of the Agricultural Cooperative Society, ACS, in the northern Gaza Strip town of Beit Hanoun. According to the Palestinian Central Bureau of Statistics, 61% of young graduates in the Gaza Strip are unemployed, and 37% of male graduates don't have a job, while 72% of female graduates are jobless. The World Bank said in a recent report that unemployment among Palestinians in the Gaza Strip is 70%. The food industry engineer and project supervisor Hamatoun said the factory initially provides 10 job opportunities for women and young graduates, but they plan to expand the work crew once production is increased. The factory, which produces around 1 ton of French fries every day, also hires around 10 men who work on night shifts when more shipments are demanded. The number of working days in the factory ranges from 15 to 20 working days per month, depending on shipment demand as well as the daily electricity schedule that Gaza has been adopting to deal with the power crisis, which has been ongoing for more than 13 years. Due to the increased production of new types of potatoes and a lack of freezing machines at the factory, 2 shipments were exported to Kuwait recently. The factory will produce frozen potatoes within 2 months after the arrival of fast freezing machines, the engineer said. Since the Israeli blockade was imposed in 2007, Gaza manufacturers and farmers along with the families who rely upon them for income have suffered, both due to the resulting lack of supplies and prohibited access to markets. A case in point is the 5,000 or so families who try to eke out a living by growing potatoes. While farmers are able to produce about 50,000 tons of potatoes annually, exports have dropped close to zero, due to Israel's repeated closure or restricted opening of the commercial crossings, as well as competition from the more politically connected Egyptian farmers.
كانت أنا فكرتي إني أنا أشغل ستات من ناحية جودة في الإنتاج، أنا بفضلها أكثر من الشباب، بكونوا مركزين بالشغل أكثر، بيعطوا جودة أحسن، بالإضافة لهم خريجات بكونوا فاهمين أنا إيش بحكي. يعني لما أنا أعمل لهم أي دورة بخصوص السلامة أو من خصوص الحسب أو الجودة أو إلى آخره، بلاقي سهولة في توصيل المعلومة.
لما توجهت لسوق العمل واجهت صعوبة لأني أنا أشتغل عاملة بطاطا كوني كخريجة سكرتارية. عند كوني كفتاة قاعدة في البيت وعندي كتير مطالب وكتير احتياجات، استمريت في الشغل هذا لأنه بدي أحقق كياني وبدي ألبي رغباتي على الصعيد الشخصي علي أنا وعلى الصعيد العائلي. أنا عندي إخوات صغار وعندي طلاب إخواتي بالجامعة، بساعد أهلي لأنه الوضع المادي كتير ضعيف. اللي خلاني مستمرة في العمل هنا المكان كتير آمن، فريق العمل الصبايا كليتنا متعاونات، الإدارة متعاونة معنا، بتلبي رغباتنا بتلبي احتياجاتنا، أي حاجة إحنا بدنا إياها بتلبي لنا إياها.